Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group and explain why the option might be missing for you. When you enter a Facebook group and tap the text box to create a post, look directly above the text area or right next to your profile picture. If the group supports it, you will see a toggle switch or checkbox that says Post Anonymously. Turning this toggle on instantly hides your name and profile picture, replacing them with a generic member badge once published. However, keep in mind that this feature is completely dependent on group moderation settings. If the group admins have disabled anonymous publishing for their specific community, the option will simply not appear, and you cannot bypass this requirement. Always check the top toolbar of the creation box before typing to verify if anonymous posting is active for that specific group. And that is it. If this video helped you out,